Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcome you on this A to Z Exam Guru YouTube platform. Today we will study about quadratic equation, and in this we will solve the quadratic equation by using the formula, and this formula is called the Sridharacharya formula, inventor of this formula. So right friends, without wasting time, let's start. The standard quadratic equation always be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By solving this for value x, we will get the formula. The derivation is not in your syllabus and it is not asked in your examinations, and that's why I am leaving it. I am not going to derive it. But if you comment in comment section, then I will also explain this later on. Right? So the solution of this is x equal to minus b plus minus. Right friends, so this is a formula. Here for root 1 you take positive sign, and for another root you should take negative sign. By using this you will obtain both the roots, right? So the very first equation in this is 5x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Right friends, so if you write root b square 4 into a upon 2 into a, and a is 5, right? So this du minus 2 plus minus under root is 4 plus 4 5 is 20 and into 360, right? It is 10. So it is going to minus 2 plus minus 64, and the square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 64 is 8, right friends? So you will get minus 2 plus minus. So by take positive sign once, right? Minus 2 plus 8 by 10 and minus 2 minus 8 by 10. So it is 6 by 10, right? 6 by 10, and another time it is minus 10 by 10. So there are two roots, minus 3 by 5 and minus 1. There are two roots. So you will got the solution of this quadratic equation, x equal to 3 by 5 and minus 1. Understands? Try to solve our next question, and that is x square. Question number 2. X square equal to 18x minus 77, right? If you try to solve it, you will get x square minus 18x. Compare with ax square plus vx and minus b. So 18 plus minus under root b square, 18 का square minus 4 into a into 1 into c means 77. Right friends? So if you try to solve this, what you will get? You're doing this 1 2 into a, right? So if you want to solve it, you will get it 18 plus minus under root 16 by 2, and this is very simply a calculation. Do it yourself, right? So you will get it 18 plus minus 4 by 2. Once you have to take the positive sign, it means 18 plus 4 by 2, it will give you 22 by 2, it means 11. Second times you will have to take negative sign, right? Positive sign. Second time you have to take negative sign. 18 minus 4 by 2, 14 by 2, it means 7, right? So the 7 and 11 are two solution of this question. 7 and 11 are solutions of this question. Yes. Options. So let us take another question. Take some more difficult question. Question 3. Root 3 into x square plus 11x is root 3 equal to 0. Compare it with ax square. Fractions. Should you try to solve it, you will get minus 11 plus minus under root b square, 11 square minus 4 into 3, 4ac into 6 root 2 into a, it means root 3. You will get minus 11 plus minus under root 1 to 1 minus 4 6 24 into 3 divide by 2 root 3, right? You will get finally minus 11 plus minus under root 1 to 1 minus 72 divided by 2 root 3. Right friends? So after solving this, you will get minus 11 plus minus 49 to root 3, right? So this is in square root, so minus 11 plus minus 7 by 2 root 3. So once you take a positive sign, what will happen? Minus 1 plus 7 to root 3, it is minus 4 by 2 root 3, right? It is minus 2 by 2. Second time if you take negative sign, it is minus 18 upon 2 root 3 to minus 9 by root 3, or you can write 3 into root 3. So these are the roots, and students, I hope the solution of this quadratic equation by using the formula is clear to you, right friends? The crux of the formula is always, if any equation is not in the form of x square bx plus c, then convert that equation it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and then put the value in the formula, and you will, if you do not commit any calculation mistake, then you will get the right result in a very short time. So thank you friends in this class, and in next class we will discuss more questions and next topic. Thank you class. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe this exam YouTube channel. Thank you class.